Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see an example of enumeration method. Now let's look at some examples of that. First I introduce my name. This is object, and then description, and then year. Description, let's say nice, and the year I put the age, that is 26. Okay, so we do for this. And also my crushes, let's say Tara, then disaster, and the age is 21. And then another one, there's Farwa, that's big mistake, age is 19. Okay, now let's go ahead and continue. Private final string description. Let me copy paste this one here, copy and paste it right here, and here I put year. Then I put coffee string description, string birthday, and then I'm going to put DSC is equal to description, and year is equal to birthday. And here I put public string get description, return description, and then here I put public. Okay, let me continue here. Paste string get year, return year, and that's it for this one. And let's continue here. Public class apples, public static void, and inside of this one I'm going to create an enhanced for loop. In enhanced for loop I write for and the class name, that's coffee people, and then coffee dot values, okay. Now here I put a system dot out statement, system dot out dot printf. We have 3 strings for each of them, like we have name, and you can see we have name, object, description, and the year. So we have to put 3 strings. Percentages, and a tab, \t for the tab, percentages, tab, and percentages, \n. Okay. And here I put people, dot get description, and then people dot get year, okay. Here I have created the enhanced for loop, and let's close this one like this. Okay, now here this people dot get description to return the description, and people dot get year is to return the year, and that's it. Now let's go and run this one. Now you can see it just printed the name and the objects and the description and the year. Taliban nice 26, Tara disaster 21, Farwa big mistake 19. And that's how we use enumeration method. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description. And also, if you are trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch the two, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.